How to access Macy's American Express card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can access Macy's American Express card account. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to the Macy's account. So for that, we can simply search for Access Macy's American Express card account. Then what you'll need to do is head over to your Macy's website. So to head over there, simply type in macys.com and you should be on their website. After you're on their website, all you have to do is sign in into the account. So to sign in into the account, find the section that says login or sign in. So it should be somewhere around here. Let me just tap on different places here. So let me go to continue shopping or back completely. And there should be an option where you can just sign in. If you don't find it, you can just come back here, access Macy's card. Then head over to this my account and credit card and let that load. And there you go, the sign in option. Tap on sign in. And now you will be able to sign in into your account. So simply sign in into your account and you can access Macy's American Express credit card. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.